Hi everyone, welcome back to Brain Equation. Today's question is 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 72 and x is unknown. So to find out the x, we will write down the question 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 72. 3 power x is common. So we will take common 3 power x bracket 3 power x will divide 3 power x will get 1, and here again get 1, and again 3 power x divides 3 power x will get 1 is equal to 72. And now adding 1 plus 1 plus 1 we will get 3. 3 power x times 3 is equal to 72. So in the next step we will divide both sides by 3. 3 power x times 3 divides by 3, 72 divides by 3, we will get here 3 will go with the 3 and we will get 3 power x is equal to 72 divided by 3 will get 24. 24. So 3, now we will take log on both sides. We will take log on both sides here in this step. So log 3 power x is equal to log 24. Log 24. So here in the next step, this x will, we know this property, this x will move here and it will become coefficient x times log 3 is equal to log 24. So in the next step, we will divide both sides by log 3. Log 3 is equal to log 24 divided by log 3. So log 3 will go with the log 3. We will get x. X is equal to log 24. 24 over log 3. So log 3. So in the next step, we will write down x is equal to log 24 can be written as 3 times 8. 3 times 8 divided by log 3. Log 3. So in the next step, we will use the property of log, which is very well known property, that if we are given with the product of log a times b, the product of ab, then we can write it as log a plus log b. The product will convert into addition of ab. So we will use this property in the next step, and the next step will become x is equal to log 3 plus log 8. Log 8 divided by log 3. Log 3. So in the next step, x is equal to, we can divide both terms with the log 3 over log 3 plus log 8 over log 3. Log 8 over log 3. So in the next step, x is equal to log 3 will go with the log 3. We will get 1 here plus log 8 over log 3. Log 3. So x is equal to 1 plus log 8 log. This 8 can be written as 2 power 3 over log 3. So in the next step, we can write x is equal to 1 plus 3 will come here, 3 log 2 over log 3. So in the next step, we will use a property of log, that if we are given with log a over log b, we can write log a with the b as a base, with the log b as a base. So 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3. So it is the final value of x. So after simplification, we have got the final value of x, which is the required value of x, but we need to check this value. We will use the given equation, the given question, which is 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x is equal to 72. We will take left hand side of this equation. Left hand side is equal to 3 power x plus 3 power x plus 3 power x. So we know that we can write them 3 times 3 power x. So plug in the value of x. 3 times 3 power 1 plus 3 log 2 base 3 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 log 2 base 3. Here we can separate 3. 3 times 3 gives 9, and we can write 3 power 3 log 2 base 3. So 9 times here, this 3 will shift here and it will become power of 2 log 2 power 3 base 3. So in the next step, we are going to use a very well-known property. Another property, a power log b base a is given, then it is equal to b. So we are going to use this property in the next step here. So here we have 9 times 3 log 2 power 3 base 3. So we will use this property here. We can write 2 power 3 here. 2 power 3. So here 9 times 2 power 3 is 8, and 9 times 8 is 72, which is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. So it is proved. The given value is correct. So our final value is x is equal to 1 plus 3 times log 2 base 3. It is the final value of the given equation, the unknown x. So all the steps are very important in this question. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more solutions and videos like this. Till the next video, bye.